It's time to say goodbye to 2021 and welcome 2022 with a new roadmap. Talking of roadmap, in today's What's in the News, we'll cover how to explore Salesforce roadmaps, the latest features that are available for you to get started with Salesforce functions and Slack integrations. We'll also check the newly published content in various Salesforce developers channels. We'll see some of the significant events that happened. We'll then see how our trailblazers are helping other trailblazers to achieve success. Finally, we'll do a quick round of news items. Many of us want to explore the latest product innovations. How about a single page from where you can track the Salesforce roadmaps? Yes, it's now available on Architect's website. The architect.salesforce.com site's roadmap tab has a new roadmap tool. You can explore upcoming product innovations in product roadmaps. Product roadmap can be dynamic and change at any time. Make your purchasing decisions based on currently available technology. This table shows the product area and feature. The table shows the status of each of these features in the previous release, current release, next release, and future releases. The feature could be in pilot, beta, generally available, or the future roadmap. You may also click on some of the features in the table to get more context. If you expand a feature, you can see what this feature is and where it provides information on the experience and edition where this feature will be available. Not just that, you can also apply search filters like product area, status, release, and a keyword. This initial release of the roadmap tool covers the lighting experience. Stay tuned for more product areas. We know Salesforce Functions is now generally available. If you are wondering how to get started with Salesforce Functions, then you have a good news. You can now develop Salesforce Functions locally. You can check this blog by Julian where he showed us how to get started with Salesforce Functions using the local development experience. The good part is you don't need to have a license to get started with Salesforce Functions. All you need is a developer edition org and you are ready to go. The caveat is you'll not be able to deploy it to a compute environment, but you'll still be able to create and start a function in your local environment and use the Salesforce SDK to access data from your org. Julian and Stefan have also conducted an Ask Me Anything session on Salesforce Functions where you can also watch a demo on how to use functions using the local development. Don't forget to check it. What is Salesforce Connect? What are external services? What is Apex Caller? How do you know which lighting platform integration capabilities fit your requirement? Check out this mini guide. In an earlier blog post, developer advocate Dave Norris shared a pocket guide on Salesforce APIs and integration capabilities, where he covered Slack, Lighting Platform, Marketing Cloud, Heroku, and more. He has now shared a mini guide that specifically covers Lighting Platform integration capabilities. Through this guide, you can understand various Lighting Platform integration capabilities like Salesforce Connect, Apex Callout, external services, platform events, etc. And you can see some of the capabilities and APIs have new and pilot features. Each of these capabilities is described with an easy to understand diagram. If you want to understand how to build applications integrating Salesforce and Slack, then we have a new series of videos and blogs published this month. Let's check those. The Salesforce Developers YouTube channel has a new playlist with a video series. Mohit and Kevin coded live and showed us how to build a travel approval app using Salesforce and Slack integration. It is a 5-part series that covers a lot. You can also check this mini guide on Slack integration capabilities. It covers Workflow Builder to automate routine processes, Bolt SDK to create apps more intuitively, BlockKit and BlockKit Builder to create app layouts, and App Directory to discover apps from your favorite tools. Let's now look into some event news. Dreamforce New York City happened last month, and the videos are now available on Salesforce Plus. You can check the news stories of customer success, inspiring trailblazer moments, and the most significant product announcements. Developer Days Australia and New Zealand 2021 happened in November. It was a great event where the developers learned from the product teams and interacted with the product managers. It is one of the few events where more than 10 product managers have delivered content on the latest product features and shared roadmaps. It was a 4-day event, 2 hours each day, with 2 sessions covering 2 product areas by the people who built it. Each day also had a new fun game built with LWC. If you missed it, no problem. You can now find all of these videos created into a single playlist. You can visit the Salesforce Developers channel to check out these videos. The product managers and experts talked about Salesforce functions, Experience Cloud, Bulk API 2.0, Tableau development, MuleSoft, developer tools, Lightning Web Components, and Slack. It's now time for Community Focus. He is the Bella Vista Salesforce Developer Group Leader, MVP, and 18x Certified Platform Champion. He follows the principle of learn together, share together, and succeed together. He loves sharing rich technical content and whatever is interesting and valuable to other trailblazers through his blogs, YouTube videos, and social channels. He is passionate about answering questions on Trailblazer Community Group. He is none other than Sakthivel Madesh. The blog readers.com was selected as one of the top Salesforce blogs in 2021 by Salesforce Ben. Not just that, it is also recognized as the best Salesforce blogs for developers by Inspire Planner, and it is in the top 25 Salesforce blogs by FeedSpot. Thanks to Sakthivel for creating the blogreaders.com and sharing knowledge through it. He frequently updates the blog with the latest content. You can find blogs on flows, Lightning, LWC, Trailhead, certification, and more. Each of the blogs listed here is tagged and you can easily navigate to the related blogs. For instance, let's click certification and you can see all of his blogs related to the certification here. Sakthivel also shares the knowledge and information through his YouTube video channel SFDX Learn and Share. You can find videos on Salesforce flows, LWC, Salesforce Carrier, VS Code, and more. Now, let's hear from Sakthivel on his motivation to do this.
Hello all, hope you guys doing good. My name is Sakthivel Madesh. I am a Salesforce MVP and leader of the Trailblazer Community Group, Bella Vista, Western Sydney, Australia. I am love to learn and share my knowledge and ideas as a blog post in my own blog called theblogreaders.com, and also generating the Salesforce related videos and to publish in my YouTube channel called SFDC Learn and Share. Started my blog around 2012, and initially I track all my useful informations and ideas as a text file for my own letter reference. Then I realized why I can't to publish my gathered information as a blog post. Then started to publish all my notes as a blog post. Now I'm keep posting developer related and admin related topics on Salesforce release features and Salesforce news in my blog post. My goal is always keep learning and sharing knowledge to Salesforce community. Also, I would like to recommend everyone keep learning and keep sharing your knowledge to the Salesforce community. Please stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Cheers.
Thanks to all the trailblazers who are selflessly helping other trailblazers to achieve success. Let's wrap with a quick round of news items. If you want to learn AMP script and build dynamic emails with Marketing Cloud, you should check this new playlist with a series of videos that will guide you through what AMP scripting language is and how you can apply it to your emails. If you are looking to integrate payments into a B2B commerce store, check this blog that shows how to integrate payments using Apex, LWC, and Flow. If you have missed and want to watch Ask Me Anything with the Salesforce Developer Advocate sessions, you can find the videos on the Salesforce Developers YouTube channel. You can stay tuned for the next AMA on Salesforce Developers Trailblazers community page. 2 more videos were added to the developer quick takes. Format Apex 10x faster with the right Prettier plugin and develop a basic Slack app for Salesforce. That's all in today's news. Keep trailblazing.